Don't want to seem too redundant, but this is a CR 250F head. We just got done doing a port and polish on it. No sense in carrying on and on. I've touched bases on what we do and why for our basic blueprint porting, and they're in previous videos found all over the place. But in any case, I wanted to show the end result. The owner of this bike should have a lot of fun with it. Just was time for a maintenance top end and asked what he could do for the next step up of power, and of course I steered him towards this before pipes and cams, because once this porting is done and the head is corrected and all the parasites associated with the head are dealt with, then the money spent on pipes and cams will be worth the amount spent. Same intake, retains a good grain texture. Keep the fuel suspended, not too much taken off, no hogging it out, and exhaust is polished up, good enough. No sense in making a mirror out of it, but it's polished up. No worry about fuel atomization in the exhaust side, so you can go ahead and polish away. Again, not the focus is not to take out what you can, just to clean up the original casting and blueprint it from there. And then the combustion chamber, we do our proprietary work in the combustion chamber as well. Definitely the difference between your average so-called port and polish and a real port and polish job. As you can see, there's going to be no extra turbulence due to casting blemishes. We've taken care of all the shrouding and pocketing around the valves so that the restrictions are reduced as much as possible there, and it's complemented with a nice hand lap decking surface. Everything's nice and true, nothing taken off, no fly cutters hogging off a bunch of meat to make sure we're flat on a perfectly fine head. Everything's just detailed up, blueprinted in, and with a little bit of jetting and dial in work, when this is all done, this guy's going to have some awesome reliable power on a factory machine. And again, definitely where you start your modifications on these 4 strokes. It's pointless to buy a cam while your head's still a flow parasite. Thanks for watching. This is Nate at Cam Power Sports, 801-686-4556.